Good morning, folks. Winter's back in Idaho. At least it's up there and not down here. Looks like it could maybe turn out to be a pretty day. We got blue sky over this way, but then this way is still pretty gray, so it's hard to say for sure. Anyhow, last night, look at this goose. I missed it, I think. That goose is funny. I don't know, hopefully you saw that. He hooks his wings up like this and he runs like crazy with his neck stretched out. I don't know what he thinks he's chasing. He doesn't look like he's chasing anything, but it's funny. Anyhow, what was I gonna say? Oh, last night I reset that trap, and I got that Cam Park camera set up. I need to kind of do a video on that, and you know, people send you stuff, and that's kind of the deal. You show it off for them, they get a little advertising, and you get a camera or whatever, pair of boots, whatever. But I have to say, it's a little complicated to use. I like it. It seems to work pretty well, but it's more complicated than most I got. But anyhow, the trap was sprung this morning, and so I thought, well, I wonder if I got that raccoon coming back or just what. No, we got we got a mouse problem over there. There was about a half a dozen of them that must have jumped up and set the trap off. So, first thing I need to do this morning, I think, is to try to come up with a little bit better trigger system. But, and I got to fix that weed chopper and start in on these weeds again, and there's so much to do. It just never really ends. These little chicks seem to be doing pretty good. Kind of camera shy though. So Cindy said that something got in there and killed one of them here a few nights ago, and not the only thing I think it could have probably, been was a pack rat. So we put this rat trap up here. I just sprung it, but anyhow, so far nothing. The bait is gone though. That's probably mice that done that. Pretty good storm. A couple of days ago, those mountains almost had none left. Things didn't go as planned today. I had some folks stop by this morning and visit for a while, which was fun. And then I went to go and fix the weed chopper on the fairgrounds here, and got my welder out with the tractor, got the weed chopper over there, and went to weld it and blew a hydraulic line on the tractor. So then I ended up having to go to town and fix the hydraulic line. Ah, shoot. Blew a hydraulic line here. Not sure which one it is. What is there? 4 of them there. Yeah, dang it. Hard to believe, that little hose. I don't know how long that is. 18 inches? $70. But without it, this thing won't work. So, button it back on and try her out. A lot of running around and stuff, but nothing anybody's going to want to watch. Now, I'm back to trying this trap again. I got some ideas on how to make this a little better, I hope. But I don't know if it's going to be much better or not. Anyway, this is what I got it planned here. One of the problems I'm having, that notch there for this piece of rebar, too big. It slips off too easy. This one I think's okay for the wire hook, but I need to make a smaller notch, or at least a smaller piece of metal on there instead of that big old chunk of rebar. That just slips off too easy. If I undercut this a little ways, it should be a little bit better. But then I get too thin on the willow here, and it wants to bend and then come off easy too. So I've got those two notches like that. If I take and put a piece of wire, I've been thinking about this here. I take put a piece of wire like a trigger dog on a regular trap over the top of this. I think maybe that'll help. Let's see, where does this need to be? Tell you what, this wind is pretty doggone chilly. Alright, so make this kind of long. Poor little turkey. Got it. Expected that. That feels a little more solid. Okay, so what I got going here, this wire here going across the rebar to the notch, and then the bottom notch is attached to that cage wire. So this looks something like that. I don't know if that's going to be any better or not, but this rebar is so big around that that notch has to be huge. That feels more solid. The raccoon will come in and pull on that pretty hard, but those mice jumping up and down on it hopefully shouldn't set it off. Anyway, a nasty day today. I'm trying to turn this camera back on and get on into the house. But anyhow, not much going on today, folks. folks. This one-a-day stuff is not easy. But I'm doing my best. So maybe tomorrow, or actually I can't do that either. I gotta chop weeds. So fun stuff. See you tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye.